Remember to feed the birds. Not only are they good fun to watch, but for declining species like the house sparrow, our gardens represent vital habitat. Grow plants with fruit, berries, hips and seeds to provide natural food. Use bird feeders and bird tables with a variety of food to attract a good mix of species. Remember, don't put out salty food or dry bread, as these can be harmful. And put your bird feeder out of reach of cats and keep bird feeders clean so they don't spread disease.
Enter our wildlife gardening competition. Go to our website and find out how your garden shapes up for wildlife.